friend of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by going into settings. Now scroll down and tap on additional settings. Then languages and input, manage keywords and keyboard. Over here go into theme and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then tap on done, click on the switcher next to gray borders if you wish to turn them off or on, and tap on apply. Then when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!